Hi everyone, welcome to the first nail show of 2019, and here we just paint our nails and chat. I love this concept of this series that I created, and you love it as well, which makes me extremely happy, and I'm glad we can share this together. And I want to wish you a very happy new year, even though I did in my first video of the year, but it was very briefly. I didn't really want to go on and on, but this video definitely allows me to talk with you. And I hope that 2019 is the best year for you, and it's the start of living your best life. For me, I have some goals, and I actually made a dream board or mood board, however you want to call it, and I actually added some things that I would love to make happen. But obviously when you make those kind of things, you have to also work towards them. So that's the thing that I'm doing this year. It's not just about putting a bunch of things on a mood board. It's actually you waking up in the morning and deciding that you want to have the life that you want to have, like your dream life. And that is something that I definitely want to achieve. And I think that all of us want to achieve our dreams, and that we all want to do great things. It just takes a lot of courage and a lot of time. Like, you could be grinding for 5 years with no results, and you can have your 6th year be the year where you a breakthrough and make amazing life-changing business happening. And that is something that I have in my mind for a while. I have read it somewhere, and I think it's totally true. So I hope that you set your mind right. I hope you wake up every day setting your mind to feel good and be good. I really want to be positive so that my vibration can be so high that I actually meet the people who are the same as I am. And I actually talked with my friend the other day. We were I just randomly started talking, and she was like, oh my god, we would never even met or talked, because I have seen what you said and I wanted to reach out and tell you stuff. And I was like, oh my god, you believe in the power of positivity and love of attraction? And she was like, yes, I do. I think that we have to vibrate high so the people that we want to meet, we actually meet. And I have learned so much, and actually people showed up, and I realized how easy it actually is to meet people and just interact if you are on that level of vibration. So I can go on and on about this topic. Let me know if you're interested in topics like this, and I will definitely do more. And I will definitely do more videos on it. I can talk about my experiences and things like that. I hope you have a great day, and never let anyone dull your sparkle. Bye!